guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your phone number in your Apple ID. So to do that, you need an iOS device. You can use any of your iOS device, and all you have to do is just go to your settings, and on this top corner over here you can find the option that says Apple ID. Just tap on it, and now you'll be led to this page, and right below personal information you can see sign in and security. You just need to go there and you'll find email and phone numbers. Now all you have to do is just tap on plus sign over here, and that way you can add a new phone number to your Apple ID. Just tap on it, and now you need to tap on the phone number over here and write down your new phone number. And after you write down your new phone number, a verification code will be sent to the number, and you just need to verify it as your phone number and just hit on next. And then you would probably need to enter your password again, and then you'll be successfully change your phone number of your Apple ID. So guys, that's how you change the phone number of your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.